welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those of you who are new here, I am a full-time working dad. I'm in the military, and this is why I choose swing trading, because I'm a busy guy. I have a day-to-day life and I like trading. I see it as a way out in the future. I enjoy trading. Also, everything that you see here today is just for entertainment purposes only, and me just journaling my journey today. If you hear noise in the background, I'm currently out of the country. Obviously can't say where I am, so the Wi-Fi also is not so strong, so bear with me. And I'm struggling to put out 3 videos a week, so I probably have to break it down to about 2 or 1 a week, but I'm gonna try keep up. If I'm not so busy, I'll just keep dropping them videos. Hopefully you find values in this. Make sure you share, like, and subscribe so I could keep making this. It's good for the algorithm. Thank you. Let's get straight into it. So right, with GU, we're looking for price to move back up into that box. I want price to push back up into in here, but what I'm worried about, I don't think price may push in there unless it moves independently, because the dollar already hit its demand. So I don't know if GU would push all the way back up there unless it start moving independently. So we're gonna just have to wait and see if price would push back up in there and give us the opportunity to short back down here. That's what I'm gonna take it, but that's okay. If you watch my previous video, you should be in this euro short. Also, you should be in euro short here. So go back, watch my previous video. You should be in euro short. This one was a bit, but we got in. It's a running trade. We're gonna monitor it, see how the market opens, if it gaps or anything like that. So yeah. Some may wonder, oh, there are loads of flies, right? I'm sorry if you keep hearing me fanning or anything like that. So also, if you want to know how I get my entries, I go on the daily, I look for the supply or demand, and here, the reason why I put my stops above this high, I was under the impression that price may have run that high and then sweep it and then drop, so that's just for me to protect me coming out of the trade. Also, AU, I marked it out and it played out really well, but I didn't take it because it wasn't showing much weakness. So if you watch my previous video, you would see me speak all about this. I was in this, I come out and I marked this and I said, let me see if price would go back there and see what price does, but it wasn't weak. If you notice, it dropped, it didn't. So if you notice, price came down, dropped, didn't take out this low, so I wasn't really keen on staying in the trade. I didn't like that price didn't take this low, but I marked this box and it came straight back in there. Lovely. Let's see if it drops away. If someone took it, I'm happy for you. Just hold it. I think we could see some weakness. So yeah, that's for AU. NZD, there is nothing. I didn't get in, so I'm not gonna waste your time over this. There is nothing here for me, so I just move on to the next. However, JPY, I don't know what is going on with this chart. USD JPY, I don't know. I was hoping for price to come down a bit lower, but it didn't. I went on the futures. I marked it on the futures, but when I saw price run that deep, because I was expecting price to move back into, yeah. Let me mark it. Usually mark this. Okay. So I was looking for price to move back up into in there, and then I see price push up all the way there and drop back here. So I'll monitor it. I don't know if we're gonna see more downside to the dollar. I doubt it, because I reckon everyone's been buying up before the market closed, so we might get a gap up. I would love to see we get a gap up, so I didn't take this trade. The one I took, sadly, wait, before we get into that, also for you, the USD CAD, I wanted price to come down here, but price never made it, unfortunately, so didn't get in. I got an alert there, so if price moved, I got an alert there still, so we're able to execute that trade. This one, right? So because I was traveling, I set a limit order for this trade. It run it run my stops. Unfortunately, it happens. I still believed in the trade, so when I opened my charts and I saw this, so I left this here for just journaling purpose. So let me move it now. So here is my second entry because I believe in it still. So I entered here, stopped below the low, and then I'm expecting price to run the high. So let's see. Price to run back the high. We're gonna hold this trade and see what happens. So it does happen sometime. You can't win all your trades. So this is what. So I got stopped out and I still got conviction about the trade. So I'm holding this trade to see how it plays out. So I just got back in straight away. It's not something I usually do but I've seen where I made my mistake. I should have covered my stops here and I didn't. So I would have got a lot of heat for it. But oh well, you can't win everything. So that's okay. Let's move over to the indices. So well, metals, we'll speak about gold first. Here, if you notice, based on seasonality, we should start longing gold from here. So if price plays around here a bit and get me close to here, I'll probably get in. I'll probably get into something on gold in this demand. But I'll watch the approach. I'll keep an eye on the future. So in every trade I take, I look at the futures first before going to the CFD. So I'm just doing it on the CFD just to make it easy so you don't have to do any conversion or anything. So I'm looking for price. I mean, I could have short it from here, but I don't really want to short any metals. So I'm waiting here and perhaps get into a long and run it. Just hold it because hopefully we get that Christmas rally. We usually get a Christmas rally based on seasonality. If you hear me keep talking about seasonality, you could look up seasonality and you see all these information. But the seasonality I use, it's paid for, so yeah. But based on seasonality, each price should come in here and start moving higher. Well, at this yellow line, so let's see if that happens. Silver, same thing. I'm looking for long here. But what I would do, I would put my stops below here, probably bring this here, and this is what I would look to enter. But I would go based on the futures. I'll see what the futures are showing me. I'll see. So let me go. This is the futures. So I'm looking for price to come here. Box. Bear with me. Let me change this. Okay. Thank you. We're looking for price to come down into that gap. So price come down and then start moving higher. So that's what I'm looking for at the moment. Yeah, let's see if that happens. So I've marked out these US5 SPX, and they played out really well, but I didn't get into it. I didn't take that trade. If you go back and watch my previous videos, you will see I mark out all these and they played out really well. The thing is, you got to pick your poison. You got to choose what trade. You can't get into all, or you could split your risk. Whether it's 2%, if it's 2%, 4 trades, you split 1% between 2 trades, another 1% between 2 trades. But you got to be careful because if that trade goes against you, you're now gonna lose a full-blown 2%. So you need to be careful. So I didn't. Let me go back down to the daily. So I didn't take this trade, and I'll tell you why. So I didn't take this trade because when price rejects, here, I'm pushed away. It didn't take out the high and it dropped back, so I didn't like that. So I was looking at this one and US30, and I like US30. Why I like US30? Because US30 reject here and take out this higher, move higher. So price came back into a demand. We did take a bit of heat and price. I'm expecting price to move higher. I'm gonna see if I could hold this, see if price get to see how high. I'm gonna manage this trade. I'm gonna trail stop in this trade. But this is just me putting this there 1 to 3. But I'd hold this trade longer, I would see, because if we could get that end of year rally, that would be really nice. So I'm currently in this trade at the moment. There was a setup on German 30, but I didn't take it. I marked it out. As I say, when it had this reject, I would have liked to see here come into demand and take out this high. What's worrying me now, price could come back here and just reject here and continue moving lower. So I didn't take that. I just went with the best one for me, and that was US30. Also, nothing for me on oil. I was looking at oil. As you can see, came into supply, drop, came into, sorry, let me use my, yeah. So this is the supply, came in, drop, it came back again and drop again, where my boxes drop again. But I'm gonna monitor price and see as the COT comes out and I get some data to help me take this trade. If I get strong data that hedge funds are long in, then I'll take the long on this trade. But I'm waiting at the moment. I'm still short coffee at the moment. Nothing has changed. I'm just gonna hold it, let it do a thing. I got nothing to lose on that trade. So actually my stops are a bit lower. But yeah, let's see. I'm just gonna hold this. If it comes back and take me out, oh well. It's not meant to be. And also copper. I'm looking for copper to come lower at the moment, but we'll wait for cut data and we'll see what happens. And that's it there. Thank you guys. That's my outlook for the week. Hopefully you find some value in this video. Also, like, share, subscribe, share with a friend, a family member. If you need me to look at a chart or anything, leave it in the comment. Tell me what you think. If you have a different idea, do share it. I'd love to hear it. And thank you. See you around. Bye.